Welcome to the world of Aarogya, the all-in-one hospital management solution. You can either download Aarogya app from Play Store or App Store or use the Aarogya portal provided to you with Aarogya HMIS.
Hello everyone. Now we will move on to the radiology test master. In this section, we have an X-ray chest PA view. The category and subgroup for this test are linked to what we created earlier in the subspecialty master and diagnostic group master, so they will appear here automatically. Choose the format that the doctor prefers. Once all mandatory fields are filled, you can save the test. After saving, you can add a template based on the selected template type. There is also a section for organization, which works like a bill of material. Here, you need to mention the items required to perform the test, like what is consumed during the X-ray. Working on the pathology test master module. In this module, we can add or edit an existing pathology test. First, you can enter the name of the investigation. Each investigation can also have a short name. You can select the type of test, whether it's a vital test, culture or panel. You can also choose the subspecialty and group. They should already be created in the subspecialty master and diagnostic group master. Next, select the sample type from the sample master. Here, you can specify what kind of sample is needed, like blood, the required quantity in ml and the unit. You can also set how much time it will take for the report to be released. There is also an option to add an interpretation for the entire test. I forgot to mention subcategory settings. If you enable subcategories, you can assign specific ones to the test. Another important setting is the value pattern, where you define the number format like 0.0 or 0.00. This determines how many decimal places the result will show. After everything is set up, make sure to save your changes. In the sample master, you can create or edit samples that are required for specific tests. Once done, save the details. In the sample type field, you can define the type of sample used for lab testing. This field helps to identify why a sample is needed, such as for lab analysis or other purposes. However, it is not mandatory to fill or change the sample type. If needed, you can change it, but it is optional. We're going to talk about the diagnostic module. In this module, we have the general section. In general, you will find the unit master, where you can create different units of measurement for lab tests. Next, we have the subspecialty master. Here, you can create different categories of diagnostic tests, enter a short name, a serial number, and choose the related purchase or sales account. There is also an option to link a test taker, which is useful for attaching to test tubes, especially in pathology tests. After that, we go to the diagnostic group master. Let's say we select an existing record here. In this section, you can group similar types of tests together. For each group, you can set a group name, short name, and choose whether the report prints on a separate page or on the same page. You can also set a serial number and define any night shift charges here as well, again, either as a fixed amount or a percentage. Start with lab registration. In lab registration, we have different types of patients like IPD patients, OPD patients, and emergency patients. You can select the patient type you want to register. After selecting the test, I click Save and the receipt is generated. We move on to sample collection. In this section, we collect samples from the registered patients. For each investigation, a sticker is generated, which can be downloaded and attached to the sample tube. After collection, we go to Sample Acknowledge, where we confirm the sample has been received and then click Save. Next, we proceed to the lab test value section. Here, you will find the lab numbers and test entries. If needed, you can add an interpretation for a test either here or in the pathology test master. There's also options to reset, upload documents, and view the full history of the patient.
We have the list of materials. As you can see, the item names are given such as 16G needle, AVF and others like needles and the EDD test. For example, a blood test, certain items are required. When you take a blood test, you need a syringe, cotton and test tubes. These all are necessary items. You have to mention these items in the bills of materials. Whenever a test is done for a patient, the system will automatically count and reduce these items from the inventory at the end of the day. Thank you for watching.